Hello, my friend. That's me. This is my model, Sonia. I will try to cut something like these beautiful pictures from the internet. Looks like I'm ready to start. My first strand is the bangs, and all following strands I pull to the bangs and repeat this line. I'm trying to make clean partings because I'm making a video and I want to look like a cool hairdresser who does everything neatly. On the other side, I try to make the bangs symmetrical. Sometimes it can happen that the first strand is not symmetrical. What do I do then? I pretend that everything is fine and just continue cutting. You are watching the video from the side, and I hope that you will not notice it. Oh look, this strand escaping from me again and again, so I think I need to start growing my fingers. I think I saw an ad for finger enlargement recently. Oh, it's not about fingers. Moving to the side, I make a line from the bangs down and repeat it on the following strands. I hope you're okay to hear my English. I know that now there is an automatic translation into English, but I can't trust a robot to voice my thoughts, because it can convey my thoughts incorrectly. It is better for me to voice them incorrectly myself. Moving to the other side. I don't know what to say while you're watching this, so I'll let you enjoy the music. The music is over, but the song seems cool. Let's listen to it again. Moving to the back, top, back. I really don't know how called this zone. Moving to this zone. Actually, I don't know why I comment on anything at all. You see everything on the video. I understand. Some people like to turn on the video and do their own thing. Then let me describe to you everything that happens on the video. A hairdresser is cutting a pretty girl's hair. He's trying very hard, and the girl is bored. He also seems bored. Maybe you're also bored listening to this. But don't worry, this video is coming to end, and very soon we will see the result, and then your video will switch to something more interesting. And here is result in 3, 2, 1.